everybody, and welcome back to Throttle Grotto. This week on Throttle Grotto, I'm buried in projects. Stay tuned. So yes, it has been project time here at Throttle Grotto. If you guys saw the video a couple weeks ago about me actually closing on the house, I'm inside. Not working on the garage yet, working on the inside of the house so I can get stuff done in here so I can move in, so I can bring everything down. And then unfortunately I got a lot of stuff to do this summer and not much of it is going to be car related. So I'll take that back. I have some really cool car related stuff coming up, but I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. So I'll give you guys kind of just a quick overview of what I've been working on. Let's see here. So this is kind of what I started with. Yeah, it's a mess. I'm actually like sleeping on the floor on an inflatable mattress in a sleeping bag right now, but basically white walls, white ceiling, white floors. I've already painted all the ceilings. This room I already trimmed out. I've got a little bit of drywall repair I have to do in this room. Not much. And then I hopefully will be painting this room tomorrow before I tear the carpets out of this room. So this bedroom started out looking just like that one, everything white. So now walls are painted. Strip the carpet. Look at how these floors look. I pulled the carpet off and there's these gorgeous hardwood floors underneath. So next week is going to be all about refinishing the floors, and of course the living room, had to do a bunch of drywall repairs in here around the windows and stuff like that. Painted the ceiling, put up a new ceiling fan. The blades aren't on it yet, and painted the walls. And now I'm getting ready to, this is the part that's been killing me, it's been driving me nuts this whole week, is pulling up this carpet and seeing what the hardwoods look like underneath the carpet. Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty easy to get the carpet up. I still have a lot of work to do in here. I still have to take all the tack strips out all the way around the walls. And if you decide to do this, be careful because these tack strips are violently sharp. I've ripped several holes in my hands already doing it. But I know a lot of you guys aren't into the house stuff. You're all wanting to see the car stuff, but I was just really excited to see how these floors look after buying the house and working on the house and knowing that there's hardwoods underneath. There's a few spots that are going to need a little bit of work, but overall they're in really nice shape for, you know, this house is 70 years old, and as you can see, it's just a shame that they cover this stuff up, put staples and nails and all that kind of stuff in it. So I won't bore you guys with the refurbishing process, but I'll show you guys what they look like after I get done with them, and then I'll let you guys know what's coming up later on this month. So that's all for this episode of Throttle Grotto. Again, I know it's house stuff. I know most of you guys aren't really into house stuff, but I just wanted to share kind of an unboxing of my new floors type thing. So I got a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Until next time, get out there and work on something.